The red-winged blackbird. One of my favorite birds. It's an early sign of spring. They love to hang around marshes and wetlands. They got a great call that they do. There you can see the male with the little red and orange on his wing there. This one's another favorite of mine. I've seen a lot of these lately. The common grackle. They hang out in groups. It's fun to watch them. I saw a turkey vulture actually the other day on my way to work. 6-foot wingspan. It was eating some roadkill. I was pretty surprised to see it, honestly. And how could I not mention one of the greatest birds of all time, the common loon. You might have heard their call early morning on the lake. And I just like this guy, killdeer, an upland shorebird with 2 black bands around its neck like a necklace. Here's another one. I just like the name. Yellow-rumped warbler. I don't think I've seen one in real life, but you can see the blue and yellow on the male there. The female's got a little bit of yellow. And last, the wood duck. I just think it's neat.